all doing? I trust you're all doing well and you're having a lovely week and a lovely month as well. So today is Saturday and I thought I'm going to do some baking, and the baking that I'm doing actually doesn't need any baking, doesn't need to be cooked at all. Today I'll be doing some cheesecake, and I am doing Oreo cheesecake. So yeah, I'm going to be using the original Oreos to make this amazing cheesecake, and the ingredients are pretty simple. I've made this one too many times, but my favorite one is the lemon cheesecake. My husband loves that as well, and every time I make the lemon one, everyone is like, please do it again and again. But I just thought I'm gonna change things a little bit and do the Oreo one. So I am going to go ahead and start making this Oreo cheesecake. And what you just need is your baking tin. So what I've done, I've lined it with a cling film in it, so that when you take out the cheesecake, it doesn't stick to the bottom of the tin. Handheld whisk. So these are the things that I'll be using. But if you have what do you call it, a dough mixer, you can use that. But I have one as well, but this is a 5-minute job work to do, so I thought I'll use the handheld whisk. Using is my food processor, and this is just to ground the Oreos into breadcrumb and to make the base for the cheesecake. Another thing that I'll be using is some cream cheese. So I have here 700 grams of cream cheese. This is at room temperature. That's full fat. So, and another thing I have here is some sugar, brown sugar. So this is 110 grams of brown sugar. You can use any sugar you want, so that works for me. And I'll be using vanilla extract. Please use proper vanilla extract, not the essence. The essence is not as nice, and it doesn't have a nice flavor either. Another thing that I'll be using is some cream. So this is not double cream, it's just cream. So this is 250 ml of cream. So I'll be whisking that, and to make the base you'll be needing some butter. So here I've just melted butter is that, and I just melted it in the microwave. And those are basically it. Those are the ingredients that I'll be using to make this simple and nice cheesecake. So please keep watching and hope you enjoy, and leave down your comment what is your favorite cheesecake that you love having. For me, it's definitely lemon cheesecake, lemon and lime cheesecake. And yeah, so when you do the base, I put it in the fridge maybe 10-15 minutes while I do the other ingredients, when I assemble all of them together. finally, I'm done doing the cheesecake. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple, quick to prepare. All you just need to do now is put it in the fridge for 12 hours, or if you want it to set longer, you can leave it in the fridge for longer. But it tastes amazing. As I said, my favorite one is the lemon cheesecake, but I do prefer to make this if I'm making it for kids or I'm bringing it into church. And yeah, so I'm just gonna store it in the fridge. And do leave down your comments, your shares, your likes, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And I recently just changed my name from Dine with Jane to Jane10's Lifestyle, as I thought, you know what, I'm doing a lot of things in this channel, so let me just change my name. So anyway guys, I'm gonna go away and I will talk to you in my next video. But until then, keep watching Jane10's Lifestyle. Bye for now.